Ready to level up your Instagram stories? Let's dive into adding multiple photos with music to create eye-catching content in under 2 minutes. First, open Instagram and swipe right to access the story creation screen. Don't take a photo yet, we're skipping that part. Look at the bottom menu. You'll see options like Live, Story, and Reels. Keep scrolling to the right until you see the layout option. Select it. Instagram offers preset grid layouts. Choose your preferred style to photos, for photos, or any other layout that catches your eye. Now, tap on each section of the grid to add photos from your camera roll. Select the pictures you want to include. Awesome! Your photos are now arranged within the layout. You can pinch to zoom and reposition each image within its frame. To add music, tap the sticker icon at the top of your screen. It's the square one with a smiley face. Scroll down or search for the music sticker. Tap on it to open the music library. Browse through the suggested tracks or search for a specific song you like. Select the section of the song you want to play by dragging the slider. You can choose to display the song lyrics or just the song title. Adjust the placement of the music sticker by dragging it around on the screen. Time for some extra flair. Swipe left and right on the screen to apply different filters to your story. Find one that complements your photos. Feeling creative? Use the drawing tools to add doodles, text, or other design elements to personalize your story even further. And that's it. Now post your awesome story. Experiment with different layouts, music choices, and filters to keep your content fresh and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next one.